Uganda's top tourism destinations include, according to Go to Africa website, Uganda's top tourism destinations include Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, Queen Elizabeth National Park, Kabale Forest National Park, and Murchison Falls National Park. Let's take a look at these tourism destinations in Uganda one by one. Bwindi Impenetrable National Park, known for its mountain gorilla trekking, offering an unforgettable experience to see these magnificent primates in their natural habitat. Queen Elizabeth National Park. This park is renowned for its diverse wildlife, including elephants, buffalo, leopards, and the famous tree-climbing lions of Ishasha. You can also take boat trips on the Kazinga Channel to spot hippos and crocodiles. Kabale Forest National Park, a great alternative to Bwindi. Kabale is known for its chimpanzee tracking and is home to a variety of other primates, birds, and butterflies. Murchison Falls National Park. Explore the base of the spectacular waterfall with boat trips and wildlife viewing. Cease Islands in Lake Victoria, a great place to relax and enjoy the scenery. Lake Bunyonyi, located near Bwindi and Gahinga, it's known for its stunning scenery and bird-watching opportunities. Jinja, experience the source of the Nile River, with opportunities for whitewater rafting and other adventure activities. Kampala, the capital city, offering a mix of cultural attractions, modern amenities, and a vibrant atmosphere.
Other notable attractions: Mount Elgon National Park. Hike through the diverse landscapes of this volcanic mountain. Sembliki National Park. Explore unique Sembliki Forest with its diverse wildlife. Lake Mburo National Park. Enjoy serene game viewing and birding in this relatively small park. Mtiafinga Gorilla National Park, another location for gorilla trekking, located near Bwindi. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Lango News channel.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.